Thinkware Hardwire kit gives you a permanent, integrated installation, but requires a little bit of basic electrical work.
For assistance in locating the correct wiring, please reach out to CarTeck Now technical support. Give us the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and we can assist you in locating the correct wiring.
Once you have the right color wires identified, use your wire strippers to expose some of the copper wiring. Take the constant and accessory power wires and splice them into the corresponding wires you just stripped. Cover the connections with electrical tape. To attach the ground wire, you will need to find a factory grounding point. For this vehicle, we need to remove a panel to get at our best option. Depending on the ground you find, you might need a wrench or screwdriver to be able to secure the ground connection.
We'll take our rear camera cable and our power cable and plug into the camera. That way we can route these through the headliner, down the pillar, and back to the side of the dash.
Take the leftover power and leftover video cable, bundle them together, and zip tie them out of the way.